Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the Prestashop Quick Order module. To begin, log into the back office. Once you are in, it's time to configure the module. To do this, go to the Modules section, click on the Module Manager tab, and search for the module. And click on the Configure button. You will be taken to the configuration page, where you can manage and customize all the module settings. The configuration page is divided into 7 main sections: General Configuration, Display Columns Configuration, Advanced Filters Configuration, Navigation Configuration, Group Restriction Configuration, Category Product Restriction Configuration, and CSV/Excel Configuration. We will now go through each section one by one to understand how to configure the module properly. Let's start with the first section, the General Settings Configuration page, where the admin has full control over how the Quick Order page behaves and appears. First, we have the Display Clear Cart toggle button. When enabled, it displays a Clear Cart button on the Quick Order page. Users can instantly remove all selected products from the list with a single click, making it easier to start fresh. Next is the Display All Combinations toggle button. When enabled, all available product combinations, such as size, color, or other variants, will be displayed on the Quick Order page. Then we have the Display Only Combination Attribute Value toggle button. This option refines how combinations are displayed. Instead of showing the full combination details, it will only display the attribute values, such as pink or large, making the drop-down cleaner and easier to read. Next is the Display Left Column of the Page toggle button. When enabled, the left column of the website layout will be visible on the Quick Order page. This may include navigation menus or additional blocks, depending on your theme. Next is the Display Right Column of the Page toggle button. Similarly, this option controls the visibility of the right column. You can enable it if you want to display additional content, such as promotions, ads, or additional links, alongside the Quick Order table. Then we have the Allow Customizable Product for Quick Order toggle button. This setting enables support for customizable products, such as items that require user input, text, images, or special instructions. Next, we have the Display Total Selected Product Quantities for Quick Order toggle button. When enabled, the system will show the total quantity of all selected products. This gives customers a quick overview of how many items they are ordering in total. Moving on, we have the Default Number of Rows field. This defines how many product rows are displayed by default in the Quick Order table when the page loads. For example, if it is set to 5, the user will initially see 5 empty rows to add products. Next is the Number of Rows to Add setting. This controls how many new rows are added when the user clicks Add More Rows. It helps manage bulk orders more efficiently by adding multiple rows at once. Then we have the Select Item Unique Identification option. Here, the admin can select which unique identifiers will be used to search for products. The available options may include ISBN code, EIN 13 or JN barcode, UPC barcode reference, and product ID. This is especially useful for fast and accurate product lookup. And finally, we have the Display Unique Identification option. This determines which unique identifier will be displayed in the product reference field on the Quick Order page. For example, you can select the product ID based on your business requirements. After entering all the details in the General Configuration tab, click the Save button to save the general configuration settings. Now, let's move to the second configuration section, the Display Column Configuration page. This section allows the admin to decide which columns will be visible on the Quick Order page. First, we have the Reference toggle button. This option controls whether the product reference code is displayed or not. Next, we have the Image toggle button. When enabled, the product image will be displayed in the Quick Order table. Then we have the Name toggle button. This option displays the product name. It is one of the most important columns, as it clearly identifies the product being added to the order. Next is the Combination toggle button. When enabled, customers can view and select product combinations, such as size, color, or other variants, directly from the Quick Order page. The Stock toggle button displays the available stock quantity of the product. Next, we have the Quantity toggle button. This enables the quantity input field, allowing customers to enter the number of units they want to purchase. Then, we have the Price toggle button. When enabled, the product price will be displayed on the Quick Order page. Finally, we have the Add to Cart toggle button. This adds an Add to Cart button to each row. Customers can directly add products to their cart from the Quick Order page without any extra steps. After configuring all the settings, click the Save button. Now, let's move to the third section, the Advanced Filter Configuration page. This section helps control how customers can filter and find products quickly on the Quick Order page, making the overall ordering process faster and more user-friendly. First, we have the Number of Products field. This option allows the admin to control how many products will be displayed when a filter is applied on the Quick Order page. Next, we have the Filter Groups option. This feature helps organize and control how filters are grouped and displayed on the Quick Order page. It provides 4 options. The first one is the New Products option. This filter allows customers to view only the newly added products in your store. The second option is the Best-Selling Products option. This filter allows customers to quickly access the best-selling products. The third option is the Discounted Products option. This allows users to filter products that are currently on discount or available at a special price. The last option is the Category Products option. The category filter allows customers to browse products based on their categories. After configuring all the settings, click the Save button to save the configuration. Now, let's move to the fourth section, the Navigation Configuration page. The main purpose of this section is to ensure that customers can quickly find and access the Quick Order page without any confusion. First, we have the Display Quick Order link and Header Toggle button. This option allows you to display the Quick Order link in the header section of the website. When enabled, the link will be visible at the top of every page, making it easily accessible to users at all times. Next, we have the Display Quick Order link and Footer Toggle button. With this option, you can add a Quick Order link to the footer section. This is useful for users who scroll down and prefer to access links from the bottom of the page. Then we have the Display Quick Order link in the left column toggle button. When enabled, the Quick Order link will be displayed in the left column section of your store. Next is the Display Quick Order link in the right column toggle button. When enabled, the Quick Order link will be displayed in the right column section of your store layout. And finally, we have the Quick Order Route field. This defines the URL path or link used to access the Quick Order page on your website. For example, you can enter Quick Order. After entering all the details, click the Save button to save the configuration. Now, let's move to the Group Restriction section of the Prestashop Quick Order module. This section allows the admin to control which customer groups can access and use the Quick Order feature. This is particularly useful when you want to provide bulk ordering capabilities only to specific types of customers. The User Group field displays all the customer groups available in your Prestashop store. From this list, the admin can select one or more groups that should be granted permission to use the Quick Order page. After selecting the groups, click the Save button to save the configuration. Now, let's move to the Category/Product Restrictions section of the Prestashop Quick Order module. This section allows the admin to control which products or categories should be available on the Quick Order page. Instead of displaying the entire catalog, you can limit the products that customers can search for, view, or order through Quick Order. Let's start with the Category Restriction option. Enable the Exclude Categories button and select the category you want to exclude. This feature allows the admin to select specific categories whose products will not be available on the Quick Order page. Next is the Product Restriction option. Enable the Exclude Product Toggle button. Instead of restricting entire categories, this setting allows you to select individual products that should not be available through Quick Order. Enter the product you want to exclude in the Search for a Product field and select the product. After selecting the desired categories or products, click the Save button to apply the configuration. Now, let's take a look at the CSV and Excel configuration section of the Prestashop Quick Order module. The first setting is the Enable CSV File Option toggle button. When enabled, customers can upload a CSV file directly from the Quick Order page to import products in bulk. Next, we have the Enable Excel File option. By enabling this setting, customers can upload an Excel file for bulk product imports. The Add Column for Combination Reference option allows the module to include a dedicated column for product combination references in the CSV or Excel file. This is especially useful for products with multiple variants, such as different sizes, colors, or configurations. The optional Product Reference column in CSV/Excel setting controls whether the product reference field is mandatory or optional during file import. Next, we have behavior when the column for combination reference is not available or has no value. This option determines how the module should behave when a combination reference is missing from the uploaded file. There are two options. The first is add only default combination. If this option is selected, the module will automatically add only the product's default combination whenever a combination reference is not provided in the import file. The Add All Combinations option allows the module to add all available combinations of the product when the product reference column is missing or contains no value. The final setting is behavior when product quantity is 0 in CSV/Excel file. This controls how the system handles products with a quantity of 0 in the uploaded files. There are two options, skip product and add product with product's minimum quantity. If skip product is selected, the module will ignore products whose quantity is 0, and they will not be added to the quick order table. Next is add product with product's minimum quantity. If this option is selected, the module will automatically add the product using its configured minimum purchase quantity. Once all the desired settings have been configured, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. In the front office, the quick order link becomes available to customers. Depending on the admin configuration, this link can appear in the header, footer, left or right column, or within the customer's My Account section. By clicking the quick order link, customers are redirected to the quick order page, where they can quickly search for products, add them to their order, and place bulk orders with ease. When customers open the quick order page, they are presented with a dedicated quick order table. This table allows customers to add multiple products from a single page instead of navigating through individual product pages. Customers can also search for products directly within the table using the product name, reference, or other unique identification parameters configured by the admin from the back office, such as product ID, ISBN, EAN, or UPC code. For products that have multiple variants, customers can select the required combination directly from the drop-down menu. After selecting a product, customers can specify the quantity they want to purchase. The module also displays the total product quantity, as this option has been enabled by the admin from the back office. Based on the columns enabled by the admin, customers may also be able to view the product image, product name, product reference, product combination, available stock, product price, quantity field, and add to cart option. To make product selection even faster, customers can use predefined filters such as new products, best-selling products, discounted products, and category products. Selecting a filter automatically adds matching products to the quick order table, helping customers find products more efficiently. Customers can use the Add More Rows option to add more rows to the quick order table, allowing them to select and add more products to their order. Let me quickly add some products to the quick order table. You can also delete a column if needed using the Delete Column option. If customers no longer need certain items, they can select multiple products and remove them from the quick order table in a single action using the Delete Selected button. Once all the required products have been added, customers can click the Create Order button. After the order is created successfully, the customer will be automatically redirected to the shopping cart page, where they can review the selected products and proceed to the checkout process. Let's go back to the quick order page. After creating the order, you can see that the Clear Cart button becomes available. By clicking this button, customers can remove all products from the quick order table and start building a new order from scratch. Let's go back to the cart page, review the selected products, and click the Proceed to Checkout button. Choose the delivery address and click Continue to Shipping. Select the shipping method and click Continue to Payment. Select the payment method and place the order to complete it successfully. This is how you can quickly order multiple products at once through the quick order page. There is another way to place bulk orders using the CSV or Excel upload feature. Customers simply need to prepare a file with the product details and quantities, upload it, and the products will be automatically added to the quick order table. So, that was all about the Prestashop Quick Order module and how you can configure it according to your store's needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.